how to calculate the surface areas of cubes and cuboids in 112 seconds. Let's go. Let's say we get given this question, guys, where we get asked to calculate the surface area of the following shapes. First off, dealing with our cube, what are we going to do? We're going to firstly use the fact that all of our edges are the same length to say that our height is 4 centimeters and our length is 4 centimeters. Now, we're then going to use the fact that all of our faces are squares of the same side length. So what we can do is we can effectively do 4 times by 4 to calculate the area of one of our faces, and then we can multiply this by 6 because we have 6 faces. So we're going to do 4 times by 4 times by 6. 4 times 4 is 16, times by 6 is going to be 96, and we're going to have centimeters squared as our unit. What about our cuboid then? What are we going to do? Well, this time we're going to use the fact that we have 3 pairs of opposite faces, which are all at the same area. So we're going to firstly do 3 times by 4. That's going to work out the area of our end rectangle. And then we're going to multiply that by 2 because our opposite face is the same. So we're going to have 3 times by 4 times by 2. 3 times 4 is 12, times 2, that's going to be 24. Now, working with these faces here, this one and this one, what are we going to do? Well, we have a height of 4 centimeters and a width of 8. So we're going to do 4 times by 8. That's going to work out the area of one of them. And then we're going to multiply that by 2 because we have 2 opposite faces which are both the same. 4 times 8 is 32, times by 2, that's going to be 64. And finally, dealing with our top and bottom faces, what are we going to do? This time we have a width of 3 centimeters and a length of 8. So we're going to do 3 times by 8. And then we're going to multiply that one by 2. 3 times 8 is 24, times by 2 is going to be 48. And finally, guys, we need to add together all of our pairs of faces. What are we going to get? Well, we're going to firstly do 24 plus 64. That is going to give us 88. Then we're going to add 48. 88 plus 48 is going to be 136. So our final answer, guys, is going to be 136 centimeters squared.